Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your beautiful Galaxy Z Fold 6. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Mag Pro case for your Z Fold 6. I need to give a shout out to Supcase for sending this case out to me for a review. Supcase has been around for years now, and they make some of the most heavy duty cases that you can get for your device, and these look no different. I love how they give you that protection you want. I will have the links in the description. You can pick it up from their website. They have many different colors for this design. It is a MagSafe case, so we're going to check out how strong the magnet is. Can you use the pen while you have the case on there? If you actually use the pen, it actually has a pen holder in there. That is my little pen here for the Z Fold 6. But we also will check out the overall fit. You know, does it look good? Does everything line up? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Again, nice presentation from them. The box is huge though. It's huge. So when you open it up, you have an instruction manual on how to install the case. Shows you how to install the pen. You get all this other stuff on there too. So you get one built-in screen protector. I wish they would give me an option to take that off. Give me the option where that's not on there, because I already have a screen protector on my phone. But here's the case too. Look at the heavy duty. You have the little pen support there. This is even a kickstand too, probably. Maybe. Some kind of way. Oh, it's a button. I didn't even, you just press the button and the kickstand comes out. That's pretty cool. Maybe if I press it again, there you go. So you press the button and the kickstand comes out. From the MagSafe thing. The inside is like this felt material, so it won't scratch out the back of your beautiful phone. But that's enough of me yapping. Let's try this out. The only gripe I have, give me one where it doesn't have the built-in screen protector. Because again, I have a screen protector on my phone. So let's get this plastic off really quick. Alright, so I got that plastic off. Let's put this bad boy in here. Just like that. Make sure it's in there. Then you want to put this bad boy in here too. Make sure that's in there. Make sure it's tight. So here's where the pen would go. So you have hinge protection, but you also have the pen support here. So you can put this bad boy in here like so. And now you carry your pen around. And if you want to pop it out, you just pop it out. That's pretty cool. You can definitely get it in there more probably than I just had it. Let's see. I'll try to get in there all the way. Just like that. So you put it on the sideways, and then you're holding your pen and you have your case, so that way you don't have to worry about losing it anywhere. Now the screen protector works. It even works with my glass screen protector on there too. It really does. You can even turn off the sensitivity if you wanted to. You can turn that up. But it's working fine with a screen protector and the installed screen protector they have. If you want to pop the pen out, you just do that. So you get that camera, you get the lip action because you have that display on there. Built-in screen protector. You also get the camera. Look at that camera protection you get. The volume rockers and the power button are easy to get to. Doesn't affect it in any way. at all. Everything lines up at the bottom. I didn't have the case in there all the way. Everything lines up at the top. Bam. It has extra grip on here too. Which I think it has extra grip there too, the carbon fiber look. So when you open it, it does cover the screen. It does a little bit. But it also gives you something to hold while you or have the phone open. So, and then look, the case companies are getting so much better with making these cases fit without adhesive strips on there. I'm pressing all kind of buttons. So overall fit is really good too. I mean, look at the protection. Like, you don't have to worry about dropping your phone, and it will protect it too. And we had that hinge protection too. So I definitely will rock this case, especially if I'm going outside hiking or something. We have a lot of trails in Texas, so yes, you want to put this case on there. You want this on there for that protection. Now, how strong is that magnet? We'll test out too, but let's try this kickstand out. So the kickstand will work like that. Can you open it and still work? There you go. You can open your phone and it still works too. Not bad at all. Let's try out the magnet really quick. All right, so I have my little puck here. Let's see. And the magnet is pretty strong there. I mean, oh, okay. Yeah, so the magnet is pretty strong. It passes the Forbes Tech Review test without any problems there. Can you use the pen? I don't think you will have a problem, but let's try out and see. Yes, you can use the pen without any issues. There you go. With the MagSafe on it. That MagSafe is strong, y'all. So again, if you want to pick up this case from Supcase, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from their website. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.